Just 18 months ago, Figma was left at the altar. The biggest deal in software history, a $20 billion acquisition by Adobe, was dead. Regulators killed it. To many, it looked like the end of a dream. But what if it was actually the beginning? Today, the Figma IPO didn't just happen. It exploded. And it's sending shockwaves through the entire tech world. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down how Figma turned this rejection into one of the most important tech IPOs in years, and what it means for the market, for its competitors, and for your money. The final section on the AI factor is something you won't want to miss, so stick around. Let's get straight to the numbers, because they are staggering. The Figma IPO was priced at $33 a share, already above its initial range. But when trading began on the New York Stock Exchange, it opened at $88. At one point, Figma stock, ticker FIG, was up over 240%. Why? The demand was insane. The offering was reportedly 40 times oversubscribed. That means for every one share available, there were 40 buyers lined up. This wasn't just a successful IPO, it was a statement. It became the largest venture-backed IPO for a US tech company since Rivian in 2021. Now, a quick but crucial point. When you go to look up Figma stock, be careful. The ticker is FIG. There's another great company, the medical apparel brand FIGS, whose ticker is FIGS. They are not the same company. A lot of people are getting this confused, so when you're researching the Figma stock price, make sure you're looking at FIG. So how did this happen? It wasn't luck. It was a perfect storm of 3 key factors that created one of the most anticipated IPOs in recent memory. First, the tech IPO market has been a desert for almost 3 years. Since the boom of 2021, rising interest rates and market volatility have kept most major tech companies on the sidelines. Investors were desperate for a high-quality, fast-growing company to invest in. Figma wasn't just another IPO. Analysts called it a bellwether event, a signal that the drought might finally be over. Its success could persuade other private giants like Stripe and Databricks to finally tap the public markets. Second, and this is critical, the AI factor. In 2025, investors aren't just buying a design company, they're buying an AI company. And they are willing to pay a massive premium for that AI exposure. Figma has invested heavily in artificial intelligence, introducing tools that can turn simple prompts into functional prototypes. CEO Dylan Field has stated that AI is core to how design workflows will evolve. This AI narrative was crucial in justifying its nearly $20 billion valuation and attracting overwhelming investor interest. Finally, the numbers under the hood are beautiful. We're talking 46% year-over-year revenue growth, a staggering 91% gross margin, which is elite even among software peers. That means for every dollar Figma makes, 91 cents is available to reinvest in the business, and maybe most impressively, a net dollar retention rate of 132%. That means, on average, their existing customers spent 32% more this year than they did last year. That's the sign of a sticky, indispensable product. If you're finding this breakdown of market dynamics useful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I frequently publish deep dives like this one, and subscribing is the best way to support the channel and ensure you never miss an analysis that could impact your portfolio. But this isn't just about one company. The Figma IPO sends a ripple effect across the entire landscape. For Wall Street, it could open the floodgates for other unicorns that have been waiting for the right moment. For Silicon Valley, it sends a powerful message. You don't need to be acquired to win. Figma's success at a valuation close to what Adobe offered proves that top-tier companies don't have to accept a down round to go public. And for Adobe, it creates a publicly funded, supercharged competitor that they once tried to buy. The one that got away is now stronger than ever. So, what's the next big tech unicorn you think will go public after this? I've got my own ideas, but I'm really curious to hear yours. Drop your prediction in the comments below. I'm going to pin the most interesting discussion to the top. So, the Figma IPO is a landmark event. It's a story of vindication, a powerful signal of a recovering market, and a testament to the power of a great product combined with a smart AI strategy. It's a reminder that in the world of tech and finance, the game can change overnight. If you made it this far, you're clearly serious about understanding these market shifts. Show some love by hitting that like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm this was a valuable deep dive and helps the channel reach more people like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.